Here is the easiest way you can find the serial number of your laptop or your PC. Most of the time, the serial number of our laptop or PC is written somewhere under our laptop. If it's a desktop, it's written by the side of the desktop or at the back of the desktop. And over time, the sticker that carries that serial number will gradually fade out. So you might not be able to see the serial number of that system, but the serial number is also right inside the system itself, all right, on the motherboard. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can locate it, which is a very simple step. The only thing you need to do is just come to your system and go to search area of your system, then type command or cmd. The both are the same thing, and it's going to bring out this command prompt. Come over here, you can see run as administrator. Click on that and say yes. This window pops up. I'm going to give you a command that you're going to type right in here, and once you hit enter on your keyboard, the serial number of the laptop or the computer will come out. Now I'm going to put it in the description below this video for those of you that might not be able to get it even when I type it. Even when it's listed on this screen, you might still type it wrongly. So you can go to the description of this video and copy it the way it is and paste right inside your command prompt. Now this is the command. You guys can see baseboard get product serial number. Now hit on enter. Once you hit on enter, product serial number, you guys can see that this is the serial number of this laptop. So this is exactly how you can get the serial number of any laptop or any PC computer at all. So if this information was helpful, please, all I need you to do is just give it a thumbs up. And if you're watching my video for the first time, my name is Asuken Kinsley, and on this channel I give you information that is very, very vital and relevant in our daily life. So if you wouldn't want to miss any of my videos, please hit the subscription button and also turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first to know once I upload a new video. I will see you guys in my next video. Like always, you guys should stay creative and remain blessed.